Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Asana project login problems, workspace access errors step by step clearly. Begin by checking your internet connection. Ensure you are connected to a stable network. Open your web browser and navigate to the Asana login page. Enter your email address associated with your Asana account. Next, enter your password carefully. If you cannot remember your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password via email. Check your inbox for the password reset email. If you don't see it, remember to check your spam or junk folder. After resetting your password, return to the login page. Enter your updated password and try logging in again. If you still experience issues, clear your browser's cache and cookies. To do this, go to your browser settings. Select the option to clear browsing data. Make sure to include cached images and files. After clearing the cache, restart your browser. Once reopened, return to the Asana login page. If you use a VPN, consider disconnecting it temporarily. Sometimes VPNs can interfere with accessing certain websites. If the problem persists, try using a different web browser. You can also try using Asana on a mobile device or app. If you manage multiple workspaces, confirm you are logging into the correct one. To do this, check the Workspace selection drop-down near your profile icon. If you still can't access your workspace, contact your team administrator. They may need to check your membership status or invite you again. Lastly, if all else fails, visit Asana's Help Center for further assistance. They often have troubleshooting tips tailored to specific login issues. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.